In the palm of a woman's hand lies not just a smartphone, but a universe of change. 6 years ago, in a small cluster of villages in Maharashtra and Telangana, we asked a simple yet powerful question. What if every household could hold the power of money, markets, and opportunity at their fingertips? The answer became the Digital Financial Inclusion Program, a movement to transform rural India through technology, trust, and empowerment. The program was built on one simple belief. Financial inclusion is not about devices, it's about dignity and agency. Women and communities are not passive beneficiaries, they are leaders, entrepreneurs, and equal actors in the economy. Three key partners have shaped this journey. Amazon, which lit the first spark in 2019, pioneering the model in Maharashtra and Telangana. L&T Finance Limited expanded it to Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, strengthening southern states. HDFC Securities Limited, which extended the program into Andhra Pradesh, ensuring no community is left behind. Together, these partnerships created a nationwide ecosystem of digital empowerment. From a handful of women, the program grew into a powerful network. Today, 700 trained Sakhis bridge the last mile gap, bringing financial literacy and technology to even the most remote villages. In just 6 years, they have reached 18 lakh rural people with digital and financial literacy. They've helped households universalize savings, insurance, and pensions, creating long-term security. And they have enabled families to access government welfare schemes, social entitlements, and affordable credit linkages worth 200 crores, funds that would otherwise remain untapped. This is money directly flowing back into communities, improving homes, healthcare, education, and livelihoods for thousands of families. Leelavati had never used digital payments before. Managing money was difficult, and her family often spent more than they earned without even realizing it. Through the Digital Sakhi project, Kumari guided her, helping her open savings and insurance schemes and teaching her how to use PhonePe for groceries, petrol, and her daughter's school fees. She was then introduced to the Creo app in Kannada. For the first time, Leelavati could track every rupee spent. Within 6 months, she cut unnecessary expenses and saved 1,500 rupees, money that now goes into her daughter's Sukanya Samriddhi account. Today, she uses digital payments daily, maintains a household budget, and feels secure with pension and insurance. The Digital Sakhi project has not only given her tools, but also the confidence to plan, save, and secure her family's future. Lakshmi from Kshetrapalya village once struggled with irregular vegetable trading. Long travels, transport issues, and seasonal farming left her with no stable income and constant uncertainty in sustaining her family. Before the intervention of the Digital Sakhi project, she had no clarity on how to build a business. With Digital Sakhi's support, she attended an entrepreneurship development program that gave her the confidence to start papad making. In the beginning, Lakshmi could make only 5,000 to 6,000 papads by hand, which was difficult and time-consuming. After the support of a Digital Sakhi mentor, she learned record keeping, began using the Creo app, and maintained proper accounts. With additional backing from Selco Solar and KGB Bank, she gained access to technology, finance, and formal recognition through branding, packaging, signboards, and even an FSSAI license. Today, Lakshmi produces 15,000 to 25,000 papads, clearly tracks profits and losses, and confidently manages orders. What was once a struggle is now a thriving, sustainable enterprise. Her journey shows how training, mentorship, and financial tools can transform a struggling woman entrepreneur into a confident businesswoman. Apurva from Tanya Mangalam Panchayat had completed a diploma in agriculture. She dreamed of starting agri-businesses but didn't know how to begin. Through the Digital Sakhi project, she was introduced to entrepreneurship training and attended a program on mushroom farming at Crescent College. With guidance from her mentor and support from Digital Sakhi, she secured a loan and set up a mushroom farm on her terrace. Digital Sakhi also helped her with record keeping, branding, and certifications like MSME and FSSAI. For marketing, Apurva started a YouTube channel which now has more than 250,000 subscribers, connecting her to products to wider markets. Encouraged by her family, she is now preparing to diversify into vermicomposting, beekeeping, and Panchgavya lamb production. Today, mushroom farming provides her family with steady income, and for the first time, Apurva has her own personal income, even helping her pay her college fees. Her story shows how mentorship, finance, and training can turn aspiration into thriving entrepreneurship. The program didn't just bring digital tools, it sparked a cultural revolution in rural finance. QR code registers and digital wallets became part of everyday life. Digital clubs introduced young girls and boys to digital tools and financial discipline, inspiring the next generation. Today, 75% of trained households use digital payments regularly, a permanent shift powered by women and sustained by technology. This journey would not have been possible without our partners. Amazon, who pioneered this model in Maharashtra and Telangana 6 years ago, L&T Finance, who expanded it across Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, and HDFC Securities, which extended the program to Andhra Pradesh. Together, they have helped us power women and power change. The Digital Financial Inclusion Program has shown us that empowerment goes far beyond numbers and devices. When a woman makes her first digital payment, she doesn't just move money. She moves her family forward, her village forward, and her nation forward.